It may have taken me a while to get my revenge, but I did get my revenge.
Just like family, thinking of you. Top-notch agents always say can do. Life is good here.
Something wrong. Where is it? I've never been to it before. Show me.
I heard they decorated for your birthday.
Please no enter working on cruise ship.
That's gluten-free.
That's urine. Yeah, I was gonna, don't eat yellow snow or yellow jello.
This is wrong. That was my favorite steak word. What the hell?
He's like that guy.
Is this all part of it?
Yeah.
This is totally wrong.
Oh, the movie, The Office Space.
I am offended. At the Office trivia game, even somebody gave me an Obama card.
I made the card out to Dwight Schrute.
Oh.
Cool. Thunder Mifflin, world's best boss.
World's best boss.
Thank you. That's very true. How come every time you two guys come into my office, something screwed up?
I have no idea. Oh.
I thought you wanted to come in and have like, I got an idea for the basketball, man.
World's worst boss.
Best boss. Worst boss.
They were out of the world's best looking boss.
Dang. This is wrapped. I'm a rap star.